Hello everyone, welcome to My Mom is Mini Me. Welcome back. I got a package, but this is not sponsored. I was looking for skincare products and I already got it open, but I didn't see what's inside yet. They have this you just have to purchase separately. And okay guys, I'm gonna show it to you. And let's get the paper. GoPure. I looked through their website and I was looking for toner and moisturizer. So I looked at their website and they have a lot of stuff that I want to get. I want to buy. So I decided to maybe I'll just purchase, the whole set. So okay, I got this brochure and they tell you what's inside in this brochure and how to use it, I think. So okay, so I'm gonna show it to you guys what's in the box or what's in this product. Okay, let's start with this one. It says retinol cream, and it says active retinol with vitamins E and B, green tea. The packaging is so cute. I like it, guys. Okay, I don't know what's this one over here. I don't know what it is. I can open it. Okay, so I'll just have to close it. Okay, so this is the one. Okay, that's that. So this is the retinol cream. Vitamin C moisturizer, deep hydration, shea butter, jojoba oil, and green tea. Okay, they have the same bottle. Yes. Okay, so let's move on. This is the hydrating toner. It's hydrating toner, alcohol-free, witch hazel, aloe vera, and rosehip oil. This one is in 6 fluid ounce. Oh, okay. It's not a pump, so all you do is just put a cotton ball and then do it like that, I think. So it says just after cleansing, all you do is just put apply it with cotton pad over entire face, neck, and for this one. Okay, and the next is a vitamin C cleanser. It's sulfate-free vitamin C, organic aloe, I don't know, herbal blend, natural herbal blend. This one is also in 6 fluid ounce. Okay, we have this vitamin C serum. It's a ferulic acid with vitamin E and green tea. It's a droplet. Yellow. I can't pronounce it. It's an acid serum. I can't pronounce. Yeah. Hyaluronic, or I can't pronounce the word. And it's the same thing also. It's in a droplet, this thing over here. You just have a few drops. So yeah, I got this hyaluronic acid. What do you call that one? Next thing is this eye gel. How do you open it, guys? Oh. Okay, it's a pump. You just have to put a little dab, just a small amount of this one, and then put it, on your, over here, the lower part. And the last one is this retinol serum. Okay, it's also the same thing with the other ones. So this is a retinol serum, 2 pumps for, I think for this one maybe. If I don't want to use this, I can use the pumps. Yeah. So that's it for this video, guys, and I hope you like it, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye. Mwah.